Hi, I'm Erleen Hatfield. I'm the president of Hatfield Group based in New York City. QNet can help with this whole process of delivering early connected models by allowing the design team to actually put together a three-dimensional model with all the information that's needed to actually do a full accurate bid. When we used QNet on an academic project, and this was a number of years ago actually, the very kind of early days of QNet, what was just fascinating about the whole process was there were 5 bidders and the total steel tonnage was within 1% of each of them. So instead of them spending all their time counting beams and trying to figure out how many bolts were in a project, they actually all used the tonnage out of QNet, which was accurate, and then they could really focus on how they wanted to build it. There were there connections that they wanted to change. They could ask for those substitution requests early on during the bidding process so there was no confusion later on. And at the end of the job, we had, I forget, like it was hardly any RFIs in the field. The steel went up 2 months faster than we expected. It was just a huge amount of benefits with that. And it all starts out with that early connected model. The Hatfield Group, we're a structural engineering firm, and we play in a space with a lot of bigger engineering firms because we're able to automate a lot of very rote and repetitive tasks. And I think that's what's great about QNet, is that we can do the same thing. We can automate a lot of really repetitive tasks, so we free up our time to focus on the more complex areas of a building project, or the more complicated areas of erection. And it just, again, frees up your headspace to be able to think about the problems that we should be thinking about.